I just disembarked a Galapagos cruise with G Adventures, and in today's video, I'll give you a tour of the ship I spent a week on. Hi, my name is Peng, I am a photographer, and I am a travel addict. I just finished a cruise in the Galapagos Islands with my father. We booked this cruise through G Adventures, and the ship we were on is called Yolita II. Excuse me, the yacht we were on is called Yolita II. At least that's what G Adventure calls it. It's not a yacht. Still, it was a very comfortable ship, and here is a quick tour. Here we are doing a Yolita ship tour. This is normally where we get ready for boat launch or diving or snorkeling. So they will have all the equipment down here and the boat will be in the water. And that's actually engine room down there. They're gonna get ready because we're on the last day. So they're getting ready to throw away all the trash and towels, resupply. So that's what these are. And then, of course, once we come up, there's sitting area over here. There's usually drink, tea, snack right here. And we'll go in from the main room here. This is our dining area. And usually the food is lined up here, so you go like a buffet style, and there's always fresh water here. That is the alarm bell. So you ring it because there's always someone late. And then, hello. This is a little bar area here. Always have chocolate, candy. Always have cocoa, coffee, tea. And this is the lounge area where we get our daily briefing. And it's usually written on the board. I drew that, and I drew that. Milton's our guide. I still haven't seen a dolphin yet, so I actually don't know who drew that, but someone drew that, so I drew this and that. We have a little library here, TV for presentation. And that's the crew area down here. Let's go out this way, thank you. Are you giving a tour? Here we have the kitchen area. Whoa! Kevin!
Oh, yes, very good, thank you.
Muy caliente here. But food always very good. Yes, always delicious. Thank you. Yes, yep. All right, so let's walk on this side. So that's actually the lounge door. These are actually cabins. Ours is the opposite side, the exact opposite side. So there's one cabin here, and then there's one cabin here. And then here is the Titanic point where you have to say, I am the king of the world. Woo. And this is where the anchor is. Very noisy at night when the chain goes down. So there's a little lounge. Ooh, look at this. Wow. That's where our food comes from. Little lounge area here. And let's go up the stairs. Actually, let's go up this side since my right hand is holding the camera. And oh, I'm actually surprised they have this out because usually when they're driving, they have these chairs put away. But this is the best view. Look at the islands over there. And I think we're chasing that boat there. There's an island over there. And that is the island that we just left from. And here is Captain! Thank you, very good. Thank you very much. And of course we have more rooms along the side here. This is the back lounge area. And then we have the top. Oh, this is the best area. Well, earlier was good. This is pretty good too. And we have these actually get really hot during the day, so nobody's up here. But once it cools down a little bit, great place to relax. And of course, that's the crew area, equipment, air conditioning, everything's up here. And there's always some frigid bird following us. I think it's because of the aerodynamic helps them fly. Oh, and of course, this is the laundry area. That's the crew laundry area. This is our laundry area. And of course, it's very important that you use these so they don't fly away. Oh, of course, lifeboat.
Finally, let's move on to the cabin. Keep in mind, different cabins might have a slightly different layout. Our cabin has 2 separate beds, and to me personally, the beds were pretty comfortable. We each had our own reading lamps. While I wouldn't call the cabin spacious, I also never felt cramped. There's a decent sized wardrobe that I forgot to film, and the wall plugs are standard North American. The bathroom is bright and airy thanks to that large window. And don't worry, we did have the curtain pulled for our entire cruise. The only thing I didn't care for in that cabin is the toilet. Even without throwing any toilet paper in there, it still got clogged up a few times.
And that was a quick tour of the Yolita II with G Adventures. As you can see, it's not a fancy ship, but it was clean and it was comfortable. Truth be told, our itinerary was jam-packed, so we barely spent any time during the day on the ship. One thing that I didn't really look for, but I was glad that this ship offered, was air conditioning in every room as well as the common area. Let me tell you, Galapagos was hot because it's on the equator. And I was also glad that every room comes with the private bathroom and shower, because every time I come back, whether it's from hiking or snorkeling, I can take a quick shower, just jump in and take a quick shower. Overall, I had a blast in the Galapagos. This trip has far exceeded my expectations, and if you are an animal lover, this should definitely be on your to-do list. I'm not gonna lie, originally this place was just gonna be a travel checklist for me, but now I'm tempted to go back again. And sometime in the near future, I plan to make a video about everything I learned from this trip, including how I picked G Adventure, how did I like the tour, and what I would bring or wouldn't bring on a future trip. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.